Saya Teacher Aisyah. So today kita akan buat button stimulation. So in button stimulation ni kita ada dua komponen, which is kita akan button and unbutton a shirt. So today we have used two words, which is to open a button and close a button. So let's do. Firstly, we need to pinch a button, push a button into the hole, and pull the button. Pinch a button, pull a hole, push a button, and grab the button. Okay, next is benefit for button stimulation. So first is gaining better control of the thumb. So dekat button stimulation ni, mereka akan menggunakan kedua-dua belah ibu jari untuk button and unbutton a shirt. So next is improving their pincher grips. So dekat sini kita anak-anak kita akan menggunakan tripod grips, which is tripod grip, tripod pinch ataupun tripod grabs. So dia akan menggunakan tiga jari kepada kedua-dua belah tangan ini, so that dia akan improving dia punya fine motor skills and also diorang punya kemahiran. Okay, next is learning to button and unbutton clothing independently. So when they do the things repeatedly, so diorang akan improving diorang punya skill and also lama kelamaan akan able to do independently. So this this button stimulation sangat digalakkan pada umur 1 ke 3 tahun. So thank you.